Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace and where to locate the airbag fuses for Ford Fiesta MK7 generation 2018-2017, guys. If you have one of those, we'll be taking the whole car apart. More than 200 videos coming on the channel. So now let me start the car and show you how the airbag light is on. And when you replace fuses, guys, you always have to stay out of the way of the airbags because that could be very dangerous job. And you have to disconnect the battery at least 1 hour before you start replacing the fuses. Remember, disconnect the battery, okay, before you do that. So you can see our airbag light is on and it doesn't go off. And we're going to show you guys how to replace the fuse now. So now the interior fuse box is located behind the glove. So how you do that? You need to open the glove box, and then on each side you have a stop. One here, one on the other side. You need to squeeze the glove box towards the inside and pull it down. Okay, and those are the stops. Okay, once you jump out of them, you need to grab the box and pull it out. Okay, like that. You can see where the hinges are. Okay, that's where they go. The fuse box is located right here. So we guys, okay, remove the glove box, and now we disconnected the battery. Okay, I didn't film that part, but we have a video how to disconnect the battery, so check it out if you need that. In this video, it's just a demonstrational video for fun to show you where the fuses are located. So we have two fuses. One is for the main airbag system, fuse 20, which is a 10 amp fuse right there. Okay, and we have a burn one to show you how when we fix the airbag light will turn off. Okay, right there. And you have a secondary one after that, and we'll show you which one it is. The second fuse is actually, it's number 4. Okay, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. This fuse is the one that detects if you have a person or a child here. We'll have a video how to clean those seats to make them like brand new, so make sure you subscribe. And I'm going to go ahead now, okay, connect the battery, and I will show you guys how the airbag light will turn off on its own. So let's go ahead and connect the battery quick. So the battery is connected. Okay, I'm kind of staying out of the way a little bit because airbags are always scary. Airbag light is on. Okay, and it went away. You can see that's one good thing about Ford. If everything's good with the airbag system, the light will go off on its own. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.